Hi all, it is Madeline Ginder and I'm going to show you my fourth technology I use in the classroom. This is a free tool that anyone can use. It is called code.org. This website promotes the importance of learning computer science. It basically allows anyone of any age to learn the basics of coding, as it incorporates problem-based learning along with trial and error to see the complex stages of technology. The audience is specifically toward teachers of any age. You can create an account and have any student participate in coding, but I think students and parents should also get involved and see the other side of technology and how computer science is kind of taking over and becoming more and more popular. The topic is content and curriculum in technology, specifically coding. The teacher ISTE standards as follows. 2A is to design or adapt relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to promote student learning and creativity. And my second one is 3A, which demonstrates fluency in technology systems and the transfer of current knowledge to new technologies and situations. So I will show you what code.org looks like. Again, you can create an account as a teacher. So I already have an account set up. And then once you have an account, you will set up your class. So I've entered in all my students from the beginning of the year. And on this, you can see kind of how far they've gone with the coding. And I want to show you what coding looks like from the student standpoint, because I think that's what the crucial part is. So my students do coding on their iPads. So they just type in code.org. And I've assigned them a specific course to follow that goes along with their age group. So I'll show you what this looks like. So each lesson comes with an introduction video to show why they're doing it, how they do it, basically the basics of coding and the importance of it and how it relates to our real world and how we see it day to day. So I'm not going to show you guys the video, but I will show you what it looks like to code. So they're given a problem to solve. So for this puzzle, drag all of the blocks together and click run to watch it go. And again, if you have someone who maybe struggles with reading, it can be read to them. So the object of this is to get the Angry Bird to catch that little guy. So the first few lessons are pretty simple because they want you to obviously gain the confidence and learn the basics of coding. And so when you're ready and you think you've done the coding, you would click run. Woohoo! And we did it. So I also like how this is an Angry Birds edition. There's also Minecraft, and it's really suited for kids of all age because of the characters and things that they incorporate to make it more engaging. So again, it gets more challenging here. They're adding more steps. So I've learned, okay, I need to move forward, then I need to drag another one. Then I'll play. Woohoo! So you can see up here, it just continues as your lesson. You can see what you've accomplished. Say you fail something. So say I just, let's see. We'll see what happens. So I clearly did not do that successfully. So up here it will tell you to keep coding, something's not quite right. This is where I find it essential where kids can kind of do trial and error. One of my big rules is here in my class is that Miss Ginder is not going to sit down and help you exactly. You need to try to problem solve on your own. I think that's something that they need to learn, that they can't give up right away. They will need to play around with the tools given in order to successfully code. So this is what it looks like from a student standpoint. And again, I can check it from a teacher to see how far they've come along, or I can see maybe a lesson that they struggled with. I like it just because maybe I'll spend 15 minutes, not every day, but here and there every other day where I give us a moment to code, because I think it is important as technology is improving that my students know the background of coding.